Welcome to the final chapter of the Calypso Tutorial Series, where we take your AI art to the next level. This is Tutorial 3, Mastering Prompt Engineering. Your final step in mastering AI art begins here. So far, you've learned how to create your Leonardo AI account and how to generate your first AI artwork. Now, it's time to refine your technique and learn how to speak the language of AI through prompts. Prompt engineering is the art of guiding the AI, teaching it exactly what to imagine. Your words are the brush, and every detail shapes the story your art will tell. Let's start with something simple, a landscape painting of a mountain at sunrise. It looks fine, but it lacks emotion, texture, and depth. Now, let's refine it by adding more detail, golden light, cinematic atmosphere, digital painting style. The AI understands your vision better. Adding mood, color, and texture turns a plain idea into a masterpiece. You can also use negative prompts to tell the AI what to avoid, like blur, text, or distortion. This helps create clean, professional artwork that focuses entirely on your idea. The best results come through experimentation. Try different styles, moods, and lighting, from cinematic realism to anime, surreal, or abstract. Each prompt you refine takes you closer to your creative best. Refine, create, repeat. You've now completed the Calypso Tutorial Series. You've learned how to create, refine, and perfect your AI artwork. Now, it's your turn. Submit your creation to Calypso and be part of the gallery where art meets innovation. Calypso, where art meets AI.